Do you know the power of just looking into someone's eyes? Eye contact can make someone trust you, fear you, or even fall for you without a single word. Sounds unreal? Let's test your mind today. Have you ever met someone who looked straight into your eyes and you couldn't look away? Why does that happen? Most people don't realize eye contact isn't just a gesture, it's a psychological weapon. Too much, and you seem aggressive. Too little, and you look weak. So what's the perfect balance? Stay with me till the end, and I'll show you exactly how to use eye contact to appear confident, trustworthy, and powerful instantly. When you hold eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds, your brain releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. That's why connection happens. But after 7 seconds, it turns intense, even intimidating. Smart communicators use this timing to control conversations subconsciously. If you want to create interest in someone, look at them softly, with calm energy. But if you want to dominate or make someone feel your presence, your gaze needs control and confidence. Every second you look, you send a message. Love, fear, or power. It's all hidden in your eyes. Research proves that balanced eye contact makes you 40% more confident and 30% more persuasive. Your eyes literally decide how others treat you. I know you're looking straight into my eyes right now, but do you know, this video is designed for your mind, to show how humans connect on a deeper psychological level. So tell me in the comments, how long can you hold eye contact without looking away? Let's see who's truly confident.